No power, no problem. This is what this one chooses to do. You chose the wrong.
Please keep sticking.
You chose the wrong shoes.
Please stop sticking. Please stop sticking. Please keep sticking, please.
You asked you. Oh, you gonna get a splinter. You better be careful. Really? Go back up so they can see how you got up there.
Yeah.
You needed a break. Wait, what are you? What are you doing?
Wait, what? Okay, wait. Please stop sticking. Please stop sticking. How high am I going? Please keep sticking. Ow. That was weird.
You good?
Let me see.